Welcome to the Design Exception training video series. Today we'll be showing you how to create a new design exception process by entering project information first and then section details. To get started, you'll want to click Create a New Design Exception. This will take you to a page where you can enter both project information and section information. For new projects, you'll want to enter project information so it's available in the section information. To begin, you'll click Add New Item. This link will display a pop-up form. These are the required fields for submission of a design exception process. There are several options to obtain this information. However, I will show you a few here today. So, the example I'll be using is for PID 80963, and for this PID it is a turn lane widening project. Now I'll show you a few ways to find the NLF ID or ODOT's unique route identifier, project begin and end limits, and corresponding latitude and longitudes. The first method will be to use TIMS. So the link takes you directly to the project search page. If the search page has a populated district county PID, I recommend clicking Reset prior to searching for a second PID. So again, I will enter my project PID. And the results are displayed below. To find out details for this project, click the Zoom button. On this page, there is a summary of the entire project, including a lot of the information needed for the project information form. So if you look in the overview portion, you'll see the begin log points between 12.94 and the end log point of 13.14. And directly below that, you will also find our unique route identifier, or the NLF ID. And so you can easily copy back and forth from page to page, or write down the information to enter it directly. I also, at this point, know that it is in Geauga County. If I return to the TIMS page and scroll down to the bottom right, I will also find the latitude and longitude corresponding to my begin point and my end point of my project. And you can copy those directly to the form. Alternatively, once you know your NLF ID and log points, you can use a converter to, or if you know your latitude and longitude, you can use a converter to come here and find the NLF ID and log point. So if I copy I wouldn't recommend doing both, but this is just an option. So say you found your latitude and longitude in TIMS, or not TIMS, in Google Maps, perhaps. You can get a fairly accurate return using this generator. See, Geauga County 422 at 12.94. And you'll always want to use county or SLM. They should be the same. Please do not enter state log points. Finally, if you have access to ELLIS, this information, at least on NLF ID and log points, can be found in work locations. Here is the NLF ID, and here are I apologize, here is the county begin and end log point. So returning to the form, You now see that the project level description has been completed. And this concludes this training video. The next training video, I will show you how to enter the section detail for which you're requesting a design exception.